Most people panic the moment a cash advance app stops working, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming the entire system is down. In most cases, the issue is small, local, and can be fixed in minutes once you know where to look. In this video, we are breaking down how to fix PayActiv Not Working in 2026 step by step so you can get back into your account without stress. Let's start with the most common issue. PayActiv often stops working because of login or verification problems. If your employer account is not fully synced, the app may block access even if everything looks normal. Now here is where it gets interesting. Many users think it is a technical glitch, but in reality, most issues come from eligibility changes or payroll sync delays from your employer. Let's break it down clearly. Step 1 is checking your internet connection and app version. A weak connection or outdated version can stop the app from loading properly. Updating the app often solves basic crashes instantly. Step 2 is checking your login credentials. If you recently changed your password or switched devices like Alex did, the system may require re-verification before allowing access again. But here's the problem most users miss. PayActiv is tightly connected to your employer's payroll system. That means if your work hours or payroll data have not updated yet, the app may temporarily show errors or restrict features. Step 3 is verifying employer eligibility. If your company recently changed payroll providers or paused the service, access may be limited without any warning. Now, let's talk about account-specific issues. If Jake suddenly sees a "not available" message, it could mean his employer has not pushed updated earnings data yet. This is not a bug, it is a timing delay between payroll systems. In a minute, I'll show you a quick reset method that clears most PayActiv issues without needing customer support. Now, let's go into quick fixes. First, log out completely and log back in to refresh your session. Second, clear your app cache to remove corrupted temporary files. Third, restart your phone to reset background processes. These 3 steps fix most problems instantly. Now here's another important detail. If you are using PayActiv through an employer, sometimes the issue is not on your phone at all. The payroll system itself may be updating or under maintenance. This is where most people get confused and waste time reinstalling the app repeatedly. Let's summarize clearly. PayActiv Not Working in 2026 is usually caused by login issues, outdated apps, employer payroll sync delays, or temporary server maintenance. It is rarely a permanent problem. Most fixes take only a few minutes once you identify the real cause. If this helped you fix your issue, make sure to like the video, comment what error you saw, and subscribe for more simple app troubleshooting guides.